I'm gonna sit at 3.5 for a while and see if we can handle. Like broke after.
All in. I'll take a pull.
Not too far with the pools. Try and stay tight.
Here is our last ducky. Come on, spin up. I'm making a long tail for you to be able to catch up.
You're gonna stick at it, Pi? Is he not DQ'd? Catch these bloody Canadians.
Doesn't look like he's trying to catch up. I guess we should go.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Good work, team.
good pace. This is a better pace than we do in races. Races are a mess. Races, you can put out everything you got, and it's 3 watts per kilogram.
We can keep it smooth instead of surging. We're saving energy.
Yeah.
So if we keep it smooth, it'll be good.
I think that's the difference. I've been trying to do more endurance riding. Because these guys can do these 1 mile finish or 2 kilometer finishes at 10 watts per kilogram. And I'm like, where did that come from?
Yeah, and Tuesday, I guess it was Monday for you, I was racing for like 75 for the beast. And there was this guy going for the sprints of the back, doing 17 watts per kilo for the sprint. So how are you a B? And you're doing 17 watts per kilo.
If you watch the whole race on replay, he's just sucking wheel and sitting at the back of the peloton the whole time. Crafty.
I always seem to be like third spot. Then being last. So you're always trying to hang on. Third or fourth.
Third or fourth is best for the draft.
It is, isn't it?
We had a whole debate about super tucks because in the premier women's division, they had a super tuck on the 2 Philly loop for the final lap. On whether or not it was worth it, these sprints don't matter. Apparently it's only worth it if you got a full echelon on both sides.
I am short and stubby, so it's usually good for me, the super tag.
The super tuck? Well, it's you'll actually gain on people if you have an echelon, like if you're in the flying V. Otherwise, you'll fall back.
I weigh 83 kilos and I'm like 5'9". So I get to pass people super tacking all the time.
You gain speed?
Yes, because I'm fat.
Because you're fat?
You're not fat.
Are you angry?
I am fat for cycling.
You're not short.
No, I guarantee I would. How many kilos?
83, and I'm 5'9".
Okay, you got me beat.
He's solid.
You're solid.
I've seen a photo of him.
I used to play rugby.
You could be 90 kilos and 6% body fat. Be pretty hard, but doable.
So to get a team.
I have like 26% body fat.
I think I'm at 7 or 8.
Team coming through.
The whole team or just one person? Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. Whole team.
We gotta let him go. it didn't start at the right time. Alright, get your team together, Obi. I don't even know where you belong. Oh, kinda. Let's follow them closely, not too closely on the descent, because Team Canada is right in front of them. So we can sweep them. Just don't get too close. Just like that, 25%. Well, we're going uphill. I'm thinking we're going the other way. How you guys doing back there? Kate, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm
I just
okay.
don't want to drop anyone. I want to stay together. So we're going nice. All good. It's a nice circuit, this one.
Yeah. I'm not a fan of like the temple climb,
Yeah.
but this one's okay. If I'm not mistaken anyway, because we're on different teams, it really doesn't matter, right? Like, we're not going to get a combined team score. Oh, wait, unless you share that race link. I don't know.
If we're all going on the same boost pass, we're combined.
Okay. Nice. Keep the pressure on them. Because they're really riding their front four.
I'm into the downhill. Push it on the rear.
Yeah.
I'll wait for the rear.
I'll fall back to the rear and do a push-up sweep. Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
It's okay, that on my wheel.
There you go.
Legsy, come back. Drop off.
How far back are you, Buggy? 10 meters? There you go.
10 meters back.
Okay, we're good. Try and keep it above. Try and keep it above 3.
Yep.
We're gonna have it downhill up ahead, so you can tuck for a few seconds here and there. Story time. One time I was coming up on this market, right, I think 2 days after they introduced this world, and there's this market wall coming up, about to hit it. Anyway, I rode right through it into the shops and underneath the map, and then I rode out to the ocean for 25 miles till it glitched out. It was pretty fun. This wall right here. Not so bad.
I would call it beautiful.
We got 2.5K of downhill, and then do it one more time. Let's see if we can sustain or add a little bit to that effort.
Yes, Jordy, good words.
Nice grouping. Take a pedal break if you need it.
Stick with Mr. Blakely. Awesome girl.
I don't understand why these guys are sprinting on the sprints. Vanity. points. All right, halfway. More than. Hey, sometimes middle of the peloton, high cadence, best way to sustain.
Yep, I just don't want to drop my teammates today. The effort to go. Get everybody here.
I'm happy you guys to go.
No, mate, staying.
No, these top end. So you guys go and finish it, and I was right home.
Is that?
I'm pretty strong. Duckies fight the Cooper duckies. Save the flag. Go guys.
You got it. I never matter.
The only rule is you need to take a pull before you drop.
A poo?
I was messing with you, asking you to take a pull before you drop.
Go up in front. You want to go up front to empty your tank.
So you guys go. My tank's just about depleted. So go and shine. Go and be duckies.
Well, do yourself a solid and drop down to like 150 or whatever you need to, and just finish. You know.
No, we're staying together. No, stop it. We're going well. Just stay on. Get in the middle.
It's the back of everyone's mind. Just gotta tell that voice to shut up.
Exactly. Team today. Lexi, behave. You're in. We're staying.
I am behaving. I get stressed when I'm holding people up. And
You got 16 minutes left of an effort. Nothing.
Stay with us, Lexi. We're holding. We're not. Good girl. Thank you.
Sit in that 3 spot. Just suck wheel.
please go.
Doing great.
We're not. Sorry, stop stressing. Come on.
Doing great.
Follow our wheels. Come on, get up in the middle.
Yeah.
You got it. We're just holding. No worries. No stress on anyone.
Up the RPM a little bit. Not for you too. Can't quit in the last 10. 10K.
Up in front of me, Rexy. It'll get the draft. We've got you. Awesome.
Okay, we're looking good.
We are.
We're way ahead of the team after us, the team that started after. And the team in front of us is just cruising steady.
Best feeling is to come home together.
We are. We got a downhill, so we got a 2K downhill
Yep.
to the finish. So we can try our super tough there.
Awesome.
So really, you can just take 2K off the ride.
Well, we're not surging, so we're not wasting energy.
I'm trying to stay on the rear, so if Flexi needs a bridge, I'm there to get in the gap and bridge her.
Saw that. Thank you. Awesome.
Nice. Are they doing boosters yet for Kiwis?
What was that?
Are they doing boosters yet in New Zealand?
I don't know. I'm in the US. I'm in the Seattle area.
Oh, you guys are. That's not a New Zealand flag. I'm sorry. Is it?
They are, yeah, just crashing. I guess they're mostly Aussies.
Gosh, I'm gonna have like 102-degree fever after this. I feel great right now.
Hey, Jordy, were you getting your second or third shot?
So I had Johnson & Johnson, or Janssen, as a first shot.
Oh, I see.
So it's considered a booster in the US, but I just had Moderna.
Yeah.
So there's not a lot of data on it for that combination long term. But I had my choice between Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, and Moderna for the booster. The little data they had suggested Moderna.
Yeah, I got Moderna on the first shot. I mean, the first and second. And
I got 6 on J&J.
We're coming up to a climb. Stay together until we get to the top.
Up, hands up. Above 80. Did you get sick from Moderna? Did you?
yeah, I got both from Moderna. And on the second one, I felt like I had like a 2-day hangover.
Yeah, that's it. That's universally what I heard. So I'm not
Andy
looking
and
for.
Chris are back at 7 meters.
Okay. I'll pay attention. When did it kick in?
Then
Morning after.
One day?
Yeah.
Damn it. Shit. Here we go, guys. 6K. Guys ready for some pool? Hang on.
Say it again?
Ready for some pool? Hang on.
Yeah, I can go ahead.
I'll always do.
both is dropping, hold your speed.
Yeah.
Want a team effort together.
I'll drop to the rear, pick them up.
Okay, stay at pace. I'm gonna help pull them up.
Roger.
Here you go, guys. Less than 10 minutes. You got this. Doing great. Good job. Good job. Jump in front of me, Buggy. Alright. The best place to drop, right where you are. Just sit right there. Pull her together, Atomic. I'll give her a hand. Okay, for someone. There we go. Okay, coming up on the flat. And we got our descent. It's gonna hurt, but try and keep it over 3 to the green.
Jordy, you got to get the fourth person over. So I need to go up in front, come back if you've got a lot of energy, and bring us up.
Okay. Yeah, you.
Thank you. Awesome. Team effort today. Looking good.
Yeah, let's just make sure atomic doesn't disappear. Raise it from.
Awesome. Good stuff. We're even now.
He's happy.
We're all bloody happy. Yeah.
Second win. Let's get the lobby.
Lexi, stop it. Yeah, come on. You can do it.
Nice and lobby. Get back.
Stay honest.
Touch your legs that way. I'll touch your legs that way. Alright, nice and tight. So, everyone stick around the yellow. We got a little hill, and then we got a descent. Buggy, you're okay? Gotcha. Good spot.
Not leading my wingman.
So, Alonzo, you got some kick left in you. Maybe even Kate, but Alonzo's got some weight. I'm thinking Alonzo and I spearhead a charge, and you guys super tarp behind us. If we can line that up. Okay.
So the real trick of the downhills is whoever is on the rear of the group sprints and gets to the front, and then super attacks. Yeah, that way the entire group picks up speed, super attacking behind.
Oh, you're saying that's the physics of it? Okay.
Okay, we inject that fuel.
Okay. Downhill. Pick it up to 3.5 plus. Stay in the draft. No tucks till -4.
Super attack behind me now.
Yeah, Iceman.
Like super tuck.
Getting a photo?
Super tuck.
What about the photo? Photo. Got the photo. Yeehaw! They were awesome.
Good job. Good effort.
Beautiful. Stay in a line. We've got it.
1/10 is sprint. Come on.
Beautiful. Good stuff.
Half a kit.
Yeah. You've got it, Blakesy. I'm not passing you. Go, girl. Good. Beautiful.
Good job.
Nice. Yeehaw!
Excellent. Excellent. Really, really good.
Fantastic.
Merci.
Terrific. That's Fridays.
Yeah, 174 heart rate average. Buggy.
Good stuff, Jordy. Milan. Iceman. Woohoo! Legsy. Yeehaw.
Good job,
Yeah,
guys.
nice.
That was fun.
Great
Good
job,
stuff.
Ollie. It was great.
Yeah, I'll say. That's what it's about.
So that's super tech photo up.
Yeah. Hey, here she is. That's awesome, Blegsy. Big effort. Well done. Love you having your company.
Thanks for dragging me around.
We love it.
Always knew you had it.
Wow. Good stuff. That's such a nice course.
Yeah, it's a lot better than Richmond 2015.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tell you that much.
Well, that other bloody thing we just did on Tuesday. Oh my God.
What was it? The two hills.
Something like to hell and back it was called, I think. Six laps. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Atomic. It's bizarre. I've lost like 30 watts off my FTP in about 8 months. I don't know what's going on.
You have? You lost or gained?
I used to be 347. Now I'm 335.
Good. That's good, isn't it? Or is that bad?
It used to be like 4.3.
So you're 4.3. That's good.
Now I'm like at 3 now. What's that?
For you, Jordy?
Yeah.
What for you and what did you drop to?
I was 347 last spring at about 79 kilos,
Yeah.
and now I'm about 330 or 328.
But how did you lose that FT? At how many kilos? Still 79?
Yeah, and I actually gained muscle. You know what did it is doing arm exercises. I got all this useless tricep muscle.
Because if you were sick or had some time off the bike, you'd have a drop like that. But that's a decent drop.
Well, I mean, if you think about it, I probably gained 6 pounds of tricep muscle and stayed the same weight. So that probably came from my legs.
Were you doing weights before, Jordy?
That was the only thing that changed. So
Weights or put weights on? Did you drop weights? Like, I'm talking about gym weights.
was I doing weights?
Yeah, leg weights, like in the gym. Like,
Oh no, I don't like to
No.
do squats. I think
Okay.
that's dangerous,
Okay.
at least for me.
This is the course that I did 16 laps of one day just for something to do.
Why not? I bet you got stronger by doing it though.
Yeah, during summer I also lost like 20 watts or something on my FTP. Just by riding outside and not doing the organized training.
Alonso, what's your FTP?
So I think I dropped from like 270 to 250.
Oh, that's overwhelming. Do you do a lot of outdoor biking?
Yeah, in summer is all I do. That's why I do this in winter.
You have a power meter?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
like in summer, I was doing a lot of mountain biking out here, and I don't have the power meter on the mountain bike. But also, I was doing like a lot of shorter rides, like 1 hour outdoor mountain bike rides.
That's the other big difference for me. I went from doing 200-kilometer rides to 60-kilometer rides, you know. So I think that
Totally different as well. Racing is probably the best training, but endurance, you don't get those fast twitch and need that instant oxygen, whereas you can just cruise all day.
Yeah, like I can do. There's this group called Faster Masters. They just cruise at 4 watts per kilogram for 90 minutes. I can do that fine. But as soon as you introduce a hill or a sprint, I'm off.
Yeah, well, I just enjoy you guys didn't